Whoa, what was that, guys? Wait, is this some more tech? Yeah, right over here we got the ULANZI MT-33 phone, DSLR, and mirrorless camera tripod. And without any further ado, let's roll the intro and unbox and review this thing that fell out of nowhere. Let's go. Alright, so I picked this up on Amazon for about $30. Matter of fact, it's on sale right now for $23. So I paid $7 more when it was on sale, so I kinda got scammed. ULANZI, if you're watching this video, make sure to slide into our DMs. But anyways, we're just gonna rip this Amazon packaging right up here. And what do we get? Hopefully I didn't leak my address. There it is, the ULANZI MT-33 Tripod. So we're just gonna set that right down there on our overhead camera, the low two angles nice and clean. And there we go. You can see that this is coming straight from ULANZI. Flexible tripod, and this is the MT-33 version. So it does have octopus legs. It's very lightweight, great for travel and all that. Matter of fact, I did have another tripod just like this one, except it was a little smaller and it was mostly made for the Sony ZV edition of cameras. And now that I have a full frame camera, the Canon EOS 77D with very thick, big lenses. Matter of fact, I have a lens right back here. As you guys can see, I probably shouldn't have thrown it because it's worth more than $500. But anyways, big, thick lenses, which means that we need big, thick tripods. So without any further ado, let's grab our trusty old little fingers that are supposed to cut through plastic, and there you go. Ta-da! So we're just gonna set that all aside. And what do we have in the box? So right over here, you guys can see that it is vlogger's choice, always the right choice. I don't know if that's their slogan. I don't know if that's what they rep it as, but yeah. You can see that it has multi-compatible use. It does have a cold shoe, which is really great for cameras, and it has flexible octopus legs. So ULANZI is a pretty well-known camera accessory company, which is why I was super excited to see this MT-33 tripod. So I am heading over on a trip over to Calgary and Vancouver to film some content. Matter of fact, we were supposed to go to Seattle, and unfortunately the day that we're supposed to go, since it's during the holiday period, the stuff that we were going to check out are closed. But don't worry, we're going to be checking that out later next year, hopefully before May. So we're just going to take that right out and set that box aside, and there you guys go. This is the ULANZI MT-33 tripod. This is what it looks like when it comes straight out of the box. And we're gonna put that packaging right out there, and there you go. I mean, let's just go to the 0.5 lens, and it feels just really, really sturdy and amazing in the hands. I mean, there it is. That is the little unboxing. You guys can see that it does have that little, you know, mount for your camera right over there. And then if ever you were to add a tripod for your camera, you do have a cold shoe for the camera on your phone. I should say your iPhone, your Samsung, whatever it is. You do also have that cold shoe that can pop out right over here. So I don't think there's anything else inside the box. Just some ULANZI branding that fell right out there. So that's the unboxing. Let's go check it out in the real world. Alright guys, so the real world test of how the tripod works. On the left side of your screen you can see me, and on the right side you obviously see the tripod with the camera. So holding it, it's a joy. Pretty sturdy. The camera weighs about 2.2 pounds, so it is still heavy. But the tripod makes it a lot easier to carry it around. So this is basically like full extension. And you can see how it keeps me in frame. You can see on the iPhone how, you know, it works. It works pretty good. Now these octopus legs are pretty nice because we are able to set them down just like so. And even on an icy surface, it still works. So here is an example. We're skating backwards. And then, there you go. Another test. So, as you guys can see, the tripod does work pretty good. You can obviously set it on these little like grooves, just like so. And as long as you have it like properly adjusted in there, see, it stands. Obviously, I didn't properly fix it in, but there you go. See, nicely fixed in, and it stands nice and safe. Now, I do not want it to fall on ice, so I will take it right out. But overall, it is a super useful tripod. And even while you're like doing high intense activity, it still works. So that's my little review on the ULANZI MT-33 tripod. And I love it. It's beautiful. Also, I forgot to mention that we do have a little thing right over here that helps us equalize how stable and straight it is. And then we do have a cold shoe to attach our accessories like our microphones while we're not using it, as well as this little part that turns into a phone clip, which is pretty nice. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe, share, like, comment down below, and follow all our socials if you haven't already.